Hey guys, thanks for joining us for the team draws. The draw natin dito sa ating Ang Liga Cup. I'm with Coach Neko of the Batangas Brahmin, the University of Batangas Football Club. Thanks for joining me, Coach Neko. It's going to be a very good cup tournament. We're playing from the first weekend of October to the last weekend of November. So tingnan natin kung anong teams ang maglalaro. Coach, just looking at the teams na kasali, who do you think are the strong teams to look out for?
Actually, syempre, yung kuha natin, yung Armed Forces, itong
Mm.
si, yeah, both. Of course, sa collegiate level, andyan si UP. Ang di lang natin alam kung if they will be fielding their first team
The
or,
first team.
yeah, kasi sa dami ba nilang players eh. I
Oo nga,
wouldn't know.
actually.
Yeah.
Dun sa Tuloy Invitational Cup, the last time I saw them play, they had their starting 11 playing in Uzbekistan, if I'm not mistaken, with the U23.
Mm-hmm.
So you'd think that they would have a hard time against a team like Tuloy. Na nahirapan din naman sila. But in fairness, nahirapan din
Yeah.
ang Tuloy sa kanila. So
Yeah.
malakas pa din. Malakas pa din. But what
Bale,
clubs? Say,
is that
coach,
the
sorry, go ahead.
same team playing in PFL, yung tuloy? Same
Yes.
lineup? Ah, okay.
Yes.
So with that, malakas ang kwan, malakas talaga si UP.
Oo. And then of course, your team din naman, coach. We saw you guys play in the very first edition of the Men's Open ng Ang Liga. And you were, if not top two, top three. Which is a very, very great achievement considering that you're playing against the full lineup of the armed forces. You had teams like Benil playing as well. Sa opinion mo ba, coach, mas malakas si Brahmin ngayon? Or are they stronger before?
I will know. Kasi may mga tapos medyo ilan din yung freshmen who will be starters. So it's going to be a test. Kasi we're joining ang liga to prepare for our main leagues, which are the PRISA and NCAA South.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Yun ang
That's going to be, yun ang aim, no? It's going to be
uh,
very nice watching the teams play and it's very exciting.
pero
So,
we're confident naman siguro na we'll give them a good fight siguro.
oh naman, actually, if I remember properly, si Batangas, akala mo dati si simple-simple lang kasi hindi maiingay yung mga players pero biglang all of a sudden teams are finding themselves behind and then losing. Kaya I'm sure that this point at this juncture, yung yung bad habit of taking the Batangas Brahmin as underdogs is now a thing of the past. So tingnan natin. So just for the viewers and people who will be watching this later on, we have 10 teams and then may additional 2 na gustong humabol. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol sila. But the 10 teams that we currently have confirmed are Two World FC, who have won the sevens at some point. They're currently transitioning into 11 sides. They put up a pretty good game last time natin dito sa league a few months ago. They want improve a little bit moving into the cup. Club de Football Manila. Of course, it's a very good academy. It's a very good club. Stephen Schrock and is bringing his talented team to ang Liga. Forza FC, of course, we know the Coach Candice-led team is very capable as well. Kaya U23, I'm not going to question the Kaya U23, but I think Coach Neko, tama, no? Kaya U23, I think they'll be using this as a platform to see who can go to the senior team or who really has potential.
Yeah, mukhang ganun yan. Yeah.
Kasi, syempre, they need to start,
Farm,
parang developing players, no?
yeah. Out of their
Sige.
club,
Mm-mm.
farm team na nila yan.
Malamang. Kasi, that's the perfect age to move up into the pros, 22, 23. Actually, kahit mga 19, 18 pa lang, nakikita mo na eh. So, I think this is
Oo.
their litmus test, no?
Yeah. Huh?
And then, of course, Manjola United, I'm sure they've got more than enough players. They might be operating under the same premise, Mark Viljon committing his team to play. Then we, of course, we have the Philippine Air Force, our league champions. They played really well. They were underdogs in the playoffs for the league at nanalo pa nga. So now they're going to try to solidify that in the cup. Si Boss Jubel Bermejo and his squad looking better with each passing match. San Beda, of course, they are playing opposite of
Yeah.
their brothers from Menjola, no? Pero this is in preparation for the NCAA. Tama ba, Coach?
Yes, I believe so. Yeah.
Kasi syempre si Coach Boy does not want to come into a tournament na medyo malamig. Coach, gaano kalaking bagay ang preseason tournament?
Sobrang laki. Kasi yung match conditioning, iba yan eh. Even if you train regularly, kung wala namang match conditioning, parang malaking kulang pa din eh.
Thank
It's
you very
very
much,
important.
Coach. Mhm.
Much better than tune-up, di ba?
Ano yung difference? I can have five tune-up games. I can have a competition. Ano yung difference ng players, Coach? I mean, what's the
Well,
mindset like?
mentally malaki eh. Kasi alam mong tune-up lang din eh. Pagka iba yung pressure. Yung pressure ng real game is, it's a lot different. Talagang kompleto nandun na eh.
Mm-mm.
The kaba factor, the excitement factor, tapos alam mo yun, so nandun na nandun na lahat eh.
Right.
So once the players are used to that, to those factors, malaking bagay na yun for the
Well,
real, yeah.
yeah, well, let's see. Kasi si Coach Niboy will want to defend his NCAA crown. Madaming medyo gustong kumuha nun. CSB is one of them. They might
Mm.
be one of the teams na humabol. Coach Maro, I know, is wanting to play. May mga sinisecure lang siya on the end of CSB. So, the Siniloan Blues, of course, si Darren Hartman, they were actually, they joined the league a few months ago. Talagang development din ang habol niya. Ang babata ng players niya, but they performed really well for their age. I think it's an exciting group. I'm just not sure if Darren will be playing his youngsters again in this
Mm.
tournament or will he be playing his more senior players. So yun ang hindi pa namin napag-uusapan ni Darren. And then of course, your team coach, the Brahmin. Again, like I said, kung dati na-underestimate after your first season with ang Liga at na medyo pinahirapan mo lahat ng teams. In fact, I think you only lost twice. Tama ba? Out of 10 games?
Oh, parang we lost sa kwan lang ata eh. Parang sa yung champion team, what's the champion team?
Garelli. Oo.
Garelli. Doon.
Oo.
Kasi draw ata kami with Air Force, then we
Air
won
Force.
off
Oo.
Navy and Army.
Mm.
So, yun. Kaya medyo, yung tumaas bigla yung level ng players eh. Tumaas yung confidence level
Oo.
after those wins. Malaking bagay nga. Parang.
And I think doon natigil ang underestimation ng UB. Kasi dati nga parang, parang if teams, napapansin ko habang tumatagal yung tournament, if teams weren't preparing before, talaga
Yeah.
nagpe-prepare na sila now. And then of course to wrap it up, the Popoy Clarino led University of the Philippines. Now yun, coach, that's another very disciplined team. I'm sure it's not going to be easy to defeat a team led by Popoy, and sometimes andyan din yung presence ni Anto for the women. Pero ever since Anto and then Popoy, iba na ang identity ng UP. They've become a really strong footballing powerhouse. So it's going to be exciting to watch them. O sige, Coach, i-draw na natin. The first spin, i-click natin.
Go
First
ahead.
team. So Group 1A. Group 1A, Siniloan Blues. So Darren Hartman will be playing Group 1A. Sino si 1B? We'll find out. Draw natin yung next draw. So Siniloan Blues is in Group A. Group B is Kaya U23. It's going to be
Mhm.
very interesting. Kaya U23. And mind you, we did not seed anyone kasi hindi pa natin sila kilala per se. So maybe
Yeah.
the next editions or once we've already identified yung strength ng teams natin. So balik tayo sa Group A. So Group A si Siniloan Blues, Group B si Kaya U23. Group A ulit tayo where the University of the Philippines is playing. So UP is there.
Group 1.
Perfect. Ayasin natin to. Let's go on to the next team. Group B na tayo. Forza FC is playing in Group B. They're the second team of Group B. So Group A is Sinaloan and UP. Group B is Kaya U23 and Forza. Balik tayo Group A. Medyo San Beda University. Okay. So SBU is playing. Ayos lang natin. Nausi lang ng konti. Okay. Alisin natin ito. And the next team for Group B. The Philippine Air Force. Alrighty. So we have in Group B, Kaya U23 Forza, the Philippine Air Force. So for yung mga bata, nasa Group A ah.
Oo nga, no?
Napatas. Yan natin. University of Batangas is going to the... Ayun, coach. Pantay-pantay to. University of Batangas is also in Group A. Tingnan natin who is the fourth team in Group B. Malalakas tong tatlong to. It's going to be very exciting, but I think it's going to be the Stephen Schrock-led group, Club de Football Manila. All right. Siyempre, tinatin who are the final teams ng who goes to A, who goes to B. This next one will go to A. It's either Manchola or Two World FC. And it looks like it's going to be Two World FC, coach. Very interesting grouping
Saan napunta si Medjola? Sa kabila.
sa Group B.
So all collegiate teams are in Group 1, Group A.
Grabe. Alam mo, hindi ko ma-scripted tong mga ganitong mga randomizer to, pero parang pagtitignan mo, mukhang sinadya eh. So, so to be clear, we will have in Group A, Siniloan United, Siniloan Blues FC is Team 1 in Group A. Team 2 is UP. Team 3 is San Beda. Team 4 is University of Batangas. And Team 5 is Two World FC. And then in Group B, we have Kaya, the U23 group team is team number 1 in Group B, followed by Forza, followed by the Air Force. Team number 4 is Club de Football Manila. And then rounding up that group is team number 5, which is Menjola United FC. So again, like I said earlier, Coach, may dalawa pang team na gustong humabol. They're just fixing the requirements. We will do a draw, another draw, pero silang dalawa, between them na lang who goes to A, who goes to B. Coach
Ay,
Neko, maraming salamat for joining me today. I hope
thank
sana nag-enjoy ka din ay naipagdaldalan sa akin.
So nakaayos na to, tong groupings na to, itong sa banner.
Hindi pa coach, hindi pa to nakaayos.
Okay. Oo, kasi
Sige lang,
Sinaloan.
parang nakaayos nga, no?
Ayos na eh.
Wow! That's amazing. And I made this banner yesterday before the draw.
Ano?
Galing
So,
ah.
yeah, no need to edit.
Oo nga. No need to edit. There we go. Napadali trabaho natin, Coach. Maraming salamat, Coach Neko.
Okay,
Uh,
thank you. Okay.
good luck to the
See.
Batangas Brahmin and to all the teams. I'll see you guys on October 5.
Yep. See you.
All right.
Thanks.
Good night, everybody. Thank you.